What's she doing? What? What's she doing? Okay, that's enough. No more yelling. No. Did you get stuck? Are you stuck? Are you stuck? Are you choking or what? What's wrong with you? Why? You start off fast, then you slow down. What's wrong with you? What are you doing? Well, that was interesting.
Nosotros podemos...
Piedra! Hey, Apple!
Position.
Hey, Apple!
Maintenance.
Hey, Apple! Piedra! Mommy, talk to her. She likes talking to you now. What? I really don't understand you. What are you doing? Why is she bobbing her head? Look at how she moves her head. Uh-oh. Oh, she's mad. Are you mad? Okay, well this video is like 2 minutes long, so I'm just gonna stop it now.
He's mad. My dog is mad. Oh yeah.
Mommy, this video is like 3 minutes long, so I'm gonna stop it now.